Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, I hope you watched the video yesterday. The date was wrong, but it was really the video. I hope that wasn't confusing because you saw like, Mr. Wright, you're still wearing the same shirt as Friday. What's going on? And the date on the screen was the same as Friday. I know, but I changed the virtue and we were talking about love. And I told you guys that I love you. And then you went around to your class and told each other that you loved them. And hopefully everybody had like a nice morning because of that. We're going to talk more about that today. Let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Stand up nice and straight. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, go ahead and have a seat. Show me a good slant. You're sitting up nice and straight. So yesterday, you really just walked around and told people that you loved them. Today, I want to know this. If you have that feeling in your heart and you really care about somebody and you love them, what else can you do? You could tell them that you love them, but I wonder what else you could do that would show them that you love them. I have a few ideas in my head, but I want you all to share some ideas first. So pause me, tell your teacher, how can you show love? Like, what other actions could you do? Pause me and then bring me back, and I'll tell you what I'm thinking about. All right, I'm back. How do you show love without telling somebody that you love them? I'll tell you one way. One thing is something I'm doing right now. You just give them a smile, right? That one's a little hard with masks on. That's a weird part of our life that we're used to seeing people like this. That's strange. That's weird. It feels normal because we've done it so long. We kind of developed this habit, but it's not normal. That's really weird. But I noticed that people are getting really good at smiling with their eyes. Right? It almost gets a little creepy sometimes, but you find ways to make your eyes look really happy. You know, as we start to wear our masks less and less in the future, because that's coming, and we're not going to have to wear our masks as much. Or when you're outside playing on the playground, give people a big smile. Here's another one. You can smile at people, but you can also use kind words, kind and caring actions, and just be gentle with people. When you're gentle with people, that shows a lot of love. Hopefully those gave you some more ideas, and maybe your class can chat a little bit more. Now that you heard my ideas, which is smile, number 1, kind words, number 2, and being gentle with people, maybe share some more ideas. What do you think you can do today so when you're going all around campus, people will know that you love them? Have a great day, Achieve. Bye.